Hello everyone. Now we are going to see writing skill report writing. Let's understand what is a report. A report is the description of an event or a situation meant for a particular person or a group of persons. In simple words, a report means description or detailed explanation of an event. Let's discuss format of report writing. Format of report writing includes following points: 1. Title, 2. Introduction, 3. Body of the report, and 4. Conclusion. Let's understand in detail format of report writing. First one, title. Title or headline. The title of the report or headline should be brief, bold, clear, and simple. It should be appealing to the readers. Second one is reporter. Reporter should be mentioned under the title. Third one is dateline. Dateline includes the name of the place and date. Fourth one is body of the report. Body of the report should be written in 3 steps. First, introduction. Second, main summary or explanation, and conclusion. Report should be written in past tense. Here is given one format of report writing. Headline. After headline there is given reporter. After reporter there is the name of place. After place there is a date. And after date there is a body of the report in 3 steps. One paragraph is regarding to introduction. Second paragraph is regarding to explanation. And third paragraph is regarding to conclusion. Types of report. There are 2 types of report. First one is report for a newspaper. Second one is a report for a magazine. 2 solid examples are given here. Let's understand them. Question number 1. Write a report on the Van Mahotsav festival celebrated in your school. Title: Save Trees and Save Nature. Reporter: by a student reporter. Name of the place: Saraswati Vidyalay. Date: 2nd October 2019. Body of the report: the students of Saraswati Vidyalay celebrated the Van Mahotsav festival on 1st October 2019. The thought for the day and action based on Van Mahotsav were read out by the students in the morning school assembly. To make the students aware of their environment and the need to protect our environment, drawing competition, collage making, and poster making competitions were organized for the students of standard 8th and 9th based on Save Trees and Save Nature. The principal, Mrs. Kapoor, addressed the students in the morning assembly. She appealed the students to plant at least one tree on the occasion of Van Mahotsav and nourish it. After the morning assembly, tree plantation program was undertaken in the school campus by the students of standard 5th to 9th. Drawings, collage work and poster were displayed in the school hall. Mrs. Kapoor appreciated the efforts and creativity of the students. She then gave away the 3 saplings to the students. The celebration of Van Mahotsav was an ideal opportunity to instill personal and social responsibility in the students towards safeguarding trees and forests. Hence, celebration was a grand success. Example number 2. Realizing the importance of being fit and healthy, your school recently organized a yoga workshop for the students of 10th standard. As the editor of the school magazine, write a detailed report on the workshop. Title: Be Fit and Healthy. Then reporter: by a student reporter. Name of the place: Arya Vidya Mandir. Date: 12th August 2018. Body of the report: A yoga workshop for standard 10th of Arya Vidya Mandir was conducted for 2 days on 5th and 6th August 2018. The workshop was inaugurated by the chief guest, Mrs. Bhatia, the secretary of the school. The class was conducted from morning 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. under the guidance of expert yoga instructor Mrs. Pallavi Kahane and Mrs. Sunita Pawar, the yoga teacher. The workshop began with recitation of shlokas, continued through the day with the various yoga asanas, and the workshop also highlighted the diet program. The students were enlightened on the importance of yoga in order to keep themselves physically fit and mentally stable. They were taught some asanas like Surya Namaskaras, Parvatasana, Pranayam, Vakrasana, Trikonasana, etc. All the students attended the workshop punctually and with a deep interest. They said they felt relaxed after some session. Many said that they would continue to practice it every day, while some even toyed with idea of taking up yoga as a career. In this way, we have seen two solved examples. Students, you must write them in your notebook. Thank you.